Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can get or view your Bitget private key. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so short answer is no, you cannot view the private key on Bitget because Bitget is a centralized exchange. So the reasons why you can't see a private key on Bitget is through a few different reasons. So custodial system. So Bitget holds and manages your crypto assets for you. That means they control the private keys and not the user. And there's also no access to wallet's internals. So you are not interacting with a Bitget account, not a traditional crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, where you generate your own private keys. And security model. So to protect users and simplify the experience, CEXs don't expose private keys for this reason. This helps prevent accidental loss or theft due to user error. Now, if you do want to get your Bitget private key, you need to move your funds from Bitget to a non-custodial wallet such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Ledger. So once transferred, you'll be able to view and back up your private key or seed phrase and fully control and secure your crypto.